Alright, so we did clean up a lot, so we got all the wood out, except for that pile, but that one is not interesting at the moment because we get a front wall here just for sound insulation. But what I can do today is to make all the pipe ducting for the power lines. So we got one pack here, and we will probably need a few more packs to get everything wired up in here, but we can at least cut out all the lines. So I bought this beast of a cutter, and I just found out that the fuses can't handle this machine. The good thing is I do have 380 volt, and the 380 volt line does have slower fuse, so to say. So I need a converter from 380 to 220. Well, that's just taking one phase out of 3 phases, and then we should be able to use this machine. So I bring that back after lunch, but first we're gonna cut some holes so we can make some light switches and so, because we need to define the holes first anyway before we start cutting lines. So let's see how that goes by cutting some holes.
Alright, slowly this is coming together, so it's gonna look like a little bit more like a house once we got switch places here. So it's very dirty getting these out, but yeah, I think it's working out nicely. I took a template because I needed to make sure that everything becomes straight. So I bought this template, and with that I can actually check if something is straight, because I noticed some of them are not exactly straight, and especially if you have like 5 of them and it's not straight, you're gonna notice it. So now I can check it if it's straight, and if it's not, I can cut a little bit more away. And of course, for all the new ones, I can still use this to draw on the wall. So that's gonna help tremendously in that.
Well, I did destroy a little bit of wall there, so we're gonna have to fix that. So let's just fix it so we can continue walking. Alright, so it's time to prepare all the power and water lines for the kitchen, as they also need to go in the wall. So I got drawings of how to walk that in. So we're now gonna measure out all the points where we need power or water in the kitchen, so I can cut it out in the wall, and that way we can install the lines later on.
You spread plans on the kitchen table. I hold the ladder, try to look brave. Coffee rings on the fuse box label, laughing as we guess which cable saves the day. We're gonna light this place, switch by switch, room by room. Our space, wire up our house, wire up our hearts. Every little spark, we're flipping on the life we made, from the hallway lamp to the window shade. Wire up our house, wire up our hearts.
Alright, so we got everything pre-drilled. So we got the connections for all the kitchen appliances in there. I made some for the lights of the cabinets up on the kitchen, and I know you haven't seen how our kitchen is gonna look like, so just imagine we're gonna get cabinets up there. So I want power there, and then I made a whole bunch of power connections on the height of where you actually have the top of the workbench, so it's about 15 centimeters higher, and that way it's really nice if you walk around and you need to blend something and you want to make coffee or anything like that. We got plenty of spaces to plug in, and I can also make some light switches there for the future if needed, because of course we need extra light above the workbench of the kitchen. So it's nice to have some extra holes so we can still make switches later on. Now let's cut out all the lines where the cables will have to go in.
Yeah, turning on the dark. You shout, try it from down in the hallway. The torchlight blinks, then finally stays. Dust in the sun, we dance in the doorway. Bare feet, blue tape, perfect kind of day. We're gonna light this place, switch by switch, room by room. Our space, wired up our house.
Alright, the dust is clearing up a little bit, but I also got all the lines in there now so that we can wire up everything. There's one that I didn't do on a purpose, and that's this one, because in the end, looking at the drawing, it doesn't seem to be the right spot to put this one, because we're gonna cook on this spot, and I know if you have this behind your cooking plate, it's gonna look horrible after a few years. So we're not gonna put it there. We're gonna keep that one, and I think that's plenty. So we're gonna leave this one out, and we should be fine. Yeah, that's how you sometimes improvise, but now it's just quick improvising, and we still can do it that way.
Wired up our hearts, every little spark. We're flipping on a life we made, from the hallway lamp to the window shade. Wired up our hearts, wired up our hearts, yeah, turning on the dark. All of these lines we pull and tie, running like veins to drive all sky. Home is in walls, it's you and I, laughing under our homemade light. Hey!
Alright, I did some proper cleaning all around the house just to get rid of all the dust. I got about 200 kilos of dust out of the house after this job. So yeah, that was quite some work to get out. But I cleaned every hole up so that way we can now get the boxes installed, or whatever you call them. I just say it's a box. It is a box, I think. So we're gonna install these, and I have some plaster especially for that, so that we can put plaster in and then put the box in and get it all level, and then it just needs to dry. So I think we're just gonna install everything right now, because I can mix that stuff up and we can put it all into place, and hopefully that's gonna sit really nice. Hopefully I get everything to level, as that's the hardest part. I need everything to sit level to actually work, or at least if I don't level it out now, then it will be horrible later on for the rest of my life. So I like to do this one right, to not have a box which is sitting like this. That would be awful.
We're gonna light this place, switch by switch, room by room, our space. Wired up our hearts, wired up our hearts, every little spark. We're flipping on the life we made, from the hallway lamp to the window shade. Wired up our hearts, wired up our hearts, yeah, turning on the dark.
Alright, so I got all of these boxes built in here, and I just had dinner, so this stuff is already hardening out, and yeah, that's just great. So this is already coming together, and I think for the first time it went out quite well. I mean, everything seems to be level. I know that I drilled all these boxes level, so there's nothing I can play with on these ones. On them, however, I did need to do some modifications by hand, and I hope everything is straight, but I will only figure that out once we are really finishing up the house. But I checked it with the level to see if it's level, and it seems kind of. I did have to do some adjustments with little stones to get it up to level, but it should be fine right now. So let's hope this is gonna work.